Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Lokesh Gandhi. In today's session, we are going to learn how to enable sales insights in our sales implementation in Oracle Fusion application. So, sales insight provide an objective understanding to salespeople working with accounts, leads, and opportunity. So based on details analysis of account interaction and historical action such as sales activities, status, duration, contact. So salespeople can gain the key insights and take appropriate action on records to further increase their sales pipeline. So sales data is evaluated and analyzed through data analytical and statistical module. And SQL program short these data, this sales data, and classified the data so the key sales metrics are readily available to salespeople to help them. Let's move on to the application in order to enable the sales insight. Click on the navigator. Scroll down. In My Enterprise, click on that. Click on Enterprise. Click on Manage Promotion Code. Click on Enter Promotion Code. If you have any promotion code to enable the sales insight, then write down this promotional code over here and then click on Save and Close. But right now I don't have any promotion code, so I will go with the default value, and you can say that the serial value over here you can see. So these promotion code you entered in this block, in this enter promotion code block, are appear in the part number, this part number, in this part number column. So with the help of this promotion code, you can enable the sales insight. Now click on done. Now if you have any permission, if you have any permission to configure offering, then what we will do, click on the navigator. Now scroll down. In the My Enterprise, click on the offerings. In this offerings, click on the sales. Enable the sales insight in this sales offering. Click on the opt in features. This is the sales offering over here. Just click on this plus this pencil icon. Click on that. See, this is the sales insight which is already enabled. So you have to enable this checkbox, but right now it is enabled. So I go with this and click on done. In this way, you can enable the sales insights in the sales offering. Now you can optimize the lead nurturing through the sales insight. You can optimize opportunity nurturing through sales insight. So let's see how you can optimize lead nurturing through sales insight. Click on the home button. Click on the leads. Let's select one lead from the given data. This lead is unqualified. The status is unqualified. Now in the summary tab, scroll down. The cells inside block over here. Click on that. You can improve your sales effectiveness by receiving key sales data insights on the lead tracking activities. So here you can see that the activity effectiveness over here, the contact validation over here, the contact recommendation over here. So you can validate your contact based on the historical data, based on the contact relationship and the successful interaction associated with these lead. So this is the contact validation. And the contact recommendation, by knowing that the recommendation contact associated with a given lead, this lead, are sufficient and accurate. So it helps you effectively convert these lead to opportunity or convert or move them along the sales pipeline. This is the contact recommendation. Likewise, you can optimize the opportunity through sales insight. Let's see how you can optimize. Click on save and close. Click the home button. Click on the opportunity. Let's select one opportunity from the given data. Here you can also improve your sales effectiveness by receiving key sales insights by opportunity tracking activity. In summary tab, scroll down the sales insights. The activity effectiveness over here, the contact validation, the contact recommendation. So what is the opportunity contact recommendation over here? By knowing that the recommended contact associated with the given opportunity are sufficient, and it helps you effectively optimize your opportunities and move them along with the sales pipeline. So you can validate your contact. You can improve your productivity by ensuring that you have correct and accurate contact without having any research, and validate your contact manually. So you can validate your contact, you can effectively convert your opportunity. So this is all about the sales insight. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.